Hi, biochemistry students. Let's do a little quick review of mass problem solving. So this is off of the review sheet for our test. And so what we have here is the problem reads what mass of ammonia is formed from 75 grams of nitrogen gas reacting with hydrogen gas. So let's just get right to that. We need a balanced chemical equation. And so ammonia, NH3, is the result of nitrogen gas reacting with hydrogen gas. So if we look at this, we can see we have two nitrogens here. So we're going to try a 2 here. Gives us 2 nitrogens and gives us 6 hydrogens. And so we'll put 3 here, and there's our balanced equation. Now, we're going to need to know the molar mass of ammonia. So I'm just going to put MM for molar mass is NH3, and that's going to equal 14.01, and that comes from the periodic table for nitrogen. It's the atomic mass, and then we're going to add 3 hydrogens, and hydrogen's atomic mass is 1.01, and that gives us 17.04 grams of ammonia. The molar mass then of hydrogen then, nitrogen, because it says there's 75 grams of nitrogen, so we're going to need to know nitrogen. And so the molar mass of nitrogen would be just 2 times 14.01 for a total of 28.02 grams. Okay. Now, let's do our mass problem. We start with what's given, 75 grams. So we've got 75 grams of nitrogen. And so we'll have 1 mole of N2, doing our mole ratio to our molar mass of nitrogen, which is 28.02 of N2. And then let's look at our mole ratio of the ammonia and the nitrogen gas. So how many moles of nitrogen gas do we have? We just have 1 mole of N2. And for ammonia, we have 2 moles. And so now we need to get to our grams of ammonia. So in 1 mole of ammonia, we would have how many grams here? 17.04 grams of ammonia. Okay, now one thing you can always do is check your units, see if they cancel correctly. Grams of nitrogen cancel, moles cancel of nitrogen, and then moles of ammonia cancel. Now, as we multiply our numerator, 75 times 1 times 2 times 17.4, and then divide by our denominators, which would be divided by 28, the solution is 91.22 grams of NH3. And voila, there we go. Okay. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have questions about this type of problem solving, be sure to reach out before the summative assessment test. All right, thank you for watching. Talk to you next time.